What is up, V Nation? Alright, so we have here a 2002 Acura EL. And I'm about to show you how to change an air filter. So it's pretty easy. It's 8mm bolts all around here. So just unscrew it. Oh, so there it is, guys. Look how dirty that is. That is pretty clogged up compared to the new one. So that is the difference, guys. Sometimes this will cause you problems too, because not much air is gonna get past this filter into your engine. So it's always good to change your air filter, usually about 20,000 kilometers. Okay, so to put the new one on is pretty easy. This one's facing down this way. Just make sure that all the grooves line up just like that, and then just put the cover back on. Again, line off the grooves like that, and just start screwing her down. So that is how you install a air filter on a 2002 Acura EL. Next episode, I will be showing you how to install the cabin filter.